Dnes nám tady Man uvaří salát masový, laoský, který se jmenuje LAAB. Takže LAAB se dá vyrobit jak z vepřového, což je náš případ, tak z kuřecího, hovězího a i z ryby. Maso nasekáš na malinkatý kousky, anebo ho pomleš. A to maso hodíš na pánev, evidentně. Budeš dělat pohyby s masem na pánvi.
We have to put oil a little bit, and after that we can fry it maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes, so just make like smell good. And after that we can put water and boil it maybe like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, yeah, something like that. Okay. Wow, smells good. We can put a little bit water, so we have to boil it.
To boil the meat.
Yeah. We have to wait like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Boil the shit out of it. Chilies. Because good food is spicy food.
Yeah.
Okay. Some kind of leaves. I think kaffir leaves. Kaffir leaves, I think.
This kind of leaf can make your lab very tasty and smell good.
Oh yeah, it smells fucking awesome. Smells awesome. This is lemongrass.
No, this one
Nope.
we call green onion.
Oh, this is green onion.
Yeah,
green onion. Yeah, I see. We have that. Now, lemongrass.
Yeah.
Lemon fucking grass. What is it? Say it in Lao.
อันนี้เป็นผักหอมป้อม
Huh?
หอมป้อม
Hompom.
Yeah.
It's a hompom.
Yeah, this one can make you laugh. It's very tasty.
Yeah. You like tasty? Now we need garlic. You all know garlic.
This one is onion.
Red onion.
Yeah,
Red onion.
So right now I have to put some salt and let me check.
Okay, we add some salt
Pepper.
to the meat. Pepper, this is pepper.
Salt and pepper. Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
And after that, like glue them.
MSG.
Yeah, MSG.
They love it here.
Yeah.
They just fucking love it.
This one is
Dried chili.
yeah, dried chili. This one is chili, dry chili as well.
Dried, but not
this
minced.
one, yeah. So, let me fry a soul. Finally, I fry it.
Unbelievable. It's a miracle. Okay, you got the salt at last.
Smell good. You wanna try it?
I'll try later when it's all done.
Okay. So we just wait it cool down a little bit. After that, we have to put this one.
Yeah, all the
After that,
vegetables.
yeah.
Okay. The meat is now all cooked.
Just wait it cool down a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. What are we doing now?
Right now we have to put fish salt.
Yeah. Fish sauce.
I don't put much because if I put too much, it's salty, so it's not
Yeah.
yummy.
Yeah. No, I don't like too much fish sauce.
Yeah. So next we have to put garlic. Garlic.
Okay. Garlic.
Garlic, and after that, onion.
Alright, red onions.
Yeah, red onion. And after that, this chili.
Yeah.
Green onion.
Yeah, spring onion, whatever it
Yeah,
is.
and leaf.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Coffee leaf.
Oh, ginger, sorry. It's
Lemongrass.
lemongrass,
Yeah.
right? So this one, I don't know the name.
Yeah. Nobody knows.
Okay, after that we have to mix.
It's not a dill. It's not a dill, right? It's something different. It looks like dill, but it's not dill.
Yeah.
So, okay. Mix it all fucking together.
How look good?
Looks very nice.
Can I?
This is going to be the best LAAB I've ever had.
Yeah. Sure. I will try it right
You
now.
wanna try? Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, you made it well. You like how you made it?
I think I'm the best chef now.
Yeah, of course. I'm thinking the same about me.
Okay. All good now. So finish. About to make a LAAB.
But we will add some lime juice as well.
Oh yeah, sure. If you want, you
Later?
can put a lime juice. Yeah. If you don't want, you don't need to put. You know, someone they don't like it,
Yeah.
but someone they like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like
if you
it.
want,
I
you
like
can
it.
put it. So we have over here. Like okay.
Okay.
So we can put it. Okay.
Let's fucking squeeze them. Squeeze it as there's no tomorrow.
Wow. I did have to put this one more.
More fish sauce.
Yeah. Do you want dry chili?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we can put a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Okay, some Lao dried chili. Ooh.
Chili. Smells so good.
Yeah, I can feel it in my nose. My nose is burning.
Okay, finally it's done now. Done.
It's done. It's done. This is Lao meat salad, and they call it LAAB.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Right now we will make new menu, or in Lao we call kua pak. Kua pak is mean like a fried vegetable.
fried vegetables,
Yeah.
okay.
So let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what this is, but it tastes good.
Yes, very good. Sure.
Some garlic. Yeah. Smack it.
Yeah.
Of course, of course. There's no food without chili.
Yeah. Every menu we cannot live without chili.
I know.
So next we have to put oil.
Totally without oil either.
Okay. Chili.
And this something, yeah.
Yeah, like I don't know.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. It looks like dill. It looks like dill, but it's not dill. It's not dill. Fish sauce, of course. MSG, it must be.
Done now.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this one, if you cook too much, it's not yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. This is look good, right?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, pretty nice. Ah, so you add this at the end.
Yeah. Yeah, done now.
Ready to devour.
Ready, ready.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, you need more chili. You need even more chili.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Okay. Okay.
After that,
Just raw vegetable. Yeah. Okay, you can scoop it with the vegetables, whatever it is. Yeah. Okay.